unpacking the phrase, box someone's ears. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. The phrase is, box someone's ears. We're going to explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own English speaking and writing. So, let's get started. Box someone's ears is an idiom that means to slap or hit someone on the side of their head or ears. It's a form of punishment or reprimand that was more common in the past. The action is not literally boxing someone's ears as in a boxing match, but rather giving a quick, sharp slap to the ear or side of the head to get someone's attention or as a form of discipline. The phrase, box someone's ears, has been in use for centuries, and it reflects older disciplinary methods that were more physical. It's believed to have originated in a time when physical punishment was a common way to correct misbehavior, especially among children. The term, box, in this context comes from an old usage meaning to strike or to hit, which is different from the modern sport of boxing. When using the phrase, box someone's ears, in conversation or writing, it's important to understand that it often carries a sense of old-fashioned discipline or humor. It's not commonly used in serious contexts nowadays due to the shift in societal attitudes towards physical punishment. Here are a few examples of how it might be used. In storytelling, the mischievous boy was so loud that his grandmother threatened to box his ears. In humor, if you don't stop teasing me, I might just have to box your ears. Remember, while the phrase can be used in lighthearted or historical contexts, it's important to be sensitive to your audience and the setting. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, box someone's ears, and how it's used in the English language. It's a colorful expression that adds a touch of historical context and humor to conversations and storytelling. As always, we encourage you to practice using new phrases in your conversations and writings to enhance your English skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.